Hey everybody, welcome to another review. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Panda Cloud that just came out. It's version 1.3. They've added a couple of features to it. Let me grab a little thing of information so you can see what they added. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so what did they add here? They added malicious web and URL filtering. That's now available in the free and the pro editions. And I guess that's installed by the toolbar, which I didn't install. I'm going to have to reinstall it or try to install the toolbar. Um, it's got a unified recycle and quarantine. What else here? Automatic upgrades. Let's see. No more advertising, which is nice to see. Um, Behavior blocking rules, hot updating of behavior blocking rules. So I suspect that what happens is they get automatically updated without having, I think, to install a new version. That's what I take out of that. Instant notifications of virus detections. That's nice. It doesn't group them anymore. Detection counter. And bug fixes and different things like that. So let me install that toolbar and I'll be right back. Let me show you guys real quick while this is installing how you can install it. If you've already have Panda, if you go to programs, open up the Panda folder, it should have a link like I have here, install Panda toolbar. So that should take care of it for you without having to find the installer or anything like that. Okay, that's weird. I'm going to restart the computer to make sure everything's working good, and then I'll be back and start testing some links. Okay, so I restarted the computer. Let's see, it's up and running. I get this every now and then for a couple seconds while it's doing whatever it's doing, but I'm connected to the net, so just got to give it a minute or so while the computer's starting, and then it works just fine. For some odd reason, this just does not want to work. Now, this might be because um, I'm on a virtual machine. That's a high possibility. So we'll see if that affects the testing results in any way. Okay, I know I'm connected to the internet, which is kind of weird that it's giving me that error. But the hard drive is busy right now, so let me pause the video while this is it's setting itself up. Be right back. Okay, so here's Internet Explorer with the toolbar. It's got different options you can add here. Comes with comes pre-installed and it's part of the Yahoo network. So let's get started here. I have I don't know, 10 links I think of very fresh malware. So we'll see what it can do here. Okay, didn't see anything come up with that one. Um, we'll see what happens with the rest of them. Okay, that one's a pretty big download. So we'll let it download in the background. Okay, this is probably some kind of unwanted program here. Looks like it installed just fine. Some kind of device doctor here. Okay, let's keep going on. Yeah, that one needs to be renamed, but I'm not going to bother with that right now. Okay, let's keep going here. So far I haven't seen a peep from Panda. Okay, looks like I got that one. Looks like this is just a login for a some kind of page. Okay, it looks like something wants out. Okay, it looks like it neutralized one of them. So far it looks like it has neutralized two of them. Let's try the last one here, see what we get. Okay, don't see anything happening with that one. Don't see anything from Panda. I know it's stuff is definitely happening. Oh, looks like it's, okay, here we go. Let's see if we can notice anything weird going on in the... Look, we have a CMD open here. Let's end that. We have a 1.update here. Let's end that. So definitely the system is infected here. We have whatever that is. We have all these X viewer things that are kind of flopping around. Okay, and my computer just automatically logged off. Okay, that's weird. And yep, now it's just won't let me in. Yeah, this computer is definitely infected. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to restart in safe mode and see if I can do a scan with Panda. I'm going to restart in safe mode with networking, so it can have access to the net. I will be right back if I can do the scan. If not, I'll let you know. Alright guys, Panda will not run in safe mode. I tried to get it to run, but it wouldn't. I couldn't find anything that will let me do a scan while it's in safe mode. So I went and installed Malwarebytes, and it's doing a scan right now. And what I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to make it a two-part video. I'm going to do this video with Panda by itself, and then I'm going to go to a clean virtual machine, install Panda AV, and to back it up, I'm going to install Komodo Firewall with Defense Plus and everything, and I'll show you how I have it set up. So they should work perfectly fine together. There's a couple of settings that you can mess around with inside Komodo to make sure that there's no interference, and we'll see the difference in how they protect the system versus just Panda by itself. I also tried to get back into Panda and or to get back into Windows normally, and it logs in there and then it just throws me right out. So um, we'll see what Malwarebytes finds here, and I will be back when this is done scanning. Okay, so Malwarebytes finished scanning here, and it found four things. I doubt these are the ones that are keeping me from logging in. So that means that Malwarebytes probably doesn't have the signatures for them yet. So let me grab Hitman Pro and see if I can do a scan with it and see if it finds anything. Let me get right back to you. Okay, so finished scanning with Hitman Pro and it didn't find anything. So let's restart and see if I can get into Windows now. So I'll be right back after it's restarting. Okay, so Windows is restarting now. When it was restarting, I could get past this point and I could get to the desktop, and as things were loading up, something would happen. Something would load up probably and start up, um, and it would log me off automatically, and then when I tried to log back in, it would just automatically log me off again. So I'm gonna wait here and see what happens. Okay, so I'm back in Windows now, and it doesn't look like it's logging me off anymore. So hopefully, I'm still having this weird pop-up here with the internet connection. And I do have an internet connection because I can surf the net just fine. Looks like the computer's still infected. So definitely looks like there's still something in here. Let's do a quick little test here. See if I can. Oh, looks like Panda neutralized something. Yep, it looks like it neutralized something. So what I'm going to do now, because it looks like it's doing some stuff, I'm going to scan the computer, and then I'll come back with the result. Okay, so finally the complete system scan finished, and it found one Trojan here. So I'm going to reboot because that's what it wants me to do, and then I'm going to do a couple more tests to kind of see if there's anything left over, see if I get any more redirects. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I rebooted here, open up Internet Explorer, and let's do a search here, see what we can find. Let's see if we get any more weird pop-ups or anything like that. Don't see anything let's try Avast. That usually gets redirected. Okay, looks like everything's okay there. So I'm just gonna do one more scan with Hitman Pro, and I'll be right back. Okay, so Hitman Pro finished scanning here, and it just found some cookies, nothing else. Is the system 100% clean now? Hard to tell. It would take a couple of days for signatures to show up in the vendors to be sure that everything is clean. But as you can see, Panda by itself didn't do that well. Without some of the support tools to remove some of the files, it let the system get infected. So now I'm going to start on a second video with Panda and CIS, and I'll see you guys then.